Puneri turban. The origin of Puneri Pagadi, which is considered as a symbol of pride and honor in the city of Pune, dates back to the 17th century when the coasties made the pagadis at people's homes on their fortnightly visit. Though it is a symbol of honor, the use of pagadi has changed over the years. To preserve the identity of the pagadi, graphical indicate GI status is given to it. Puneri became an intellectual property on 4th September 2009. Naga hat. Chang Naga warriors wear plated canework helmets or ornamented with hornbill tail feathers, goat or bear hair and 2 wild boar tusks. The chin strap is decorated with the 10 claws of a tiger's 2 front paws that can only be worn by a successful headhunter that the Nagas used to be. Mysore Peta. The Mysore turban is called Peta, which is named with reference to a Wadayar king of Mysore who wore the Peta. In the district of Kodagu and Mysore, turban is considered to be a source of pride. Presenting the Mysore Peta is a symbol of honoring and respecting the recipient. This indicates the significance attached to the turban. In the district of Kodagu, men wear their ethnic dress with a turban on the celebration or special occasions. Sikh turban or dastar. In the Sikh religion, the turban is known as dastar and commands reverence. Dastar is an important part of the unique Sikh identity. It is worn to cover the long uncut hair that is one of the 5 outward symbols of Khalsa Sikh faith. Kashmiri cap. The Kashmiri cap is also called Karakul cap. It can be seen in 2 shapes: the collapsible boat shape and hard elliptical shape. A turban is more of a symbol of honor in Kashmir. In most religious shrines of Kashmir, the priests wear turbans. The Karakul cap is now only worn by the Kashmiris at important occasions. Mithila turban. The pag is a headgear hailing from the Mithila region of Bihar, worn by Maithili people. The pag carries a lot of respect and is worn by the people of Mithila with pride. The pag dates back to prehistoric times when it was made of plant leaves. It exists today in a modified form. Pags are of different shades, colors and shapes. Tepi, Brokpa or Drokpa tribe. A Brokpa tribal is identified by a colorful headgear called tepi that has silver base embellished with fresh and dried colorful berry flowers from the mountains and various colorful props. In the high altitude of Ladakh, beyond the usual tourist spot, Pongong Lake, majestic hills or the monasteries, there survives a tribe believed to be one of the oldest tribes known as Brokpa. The tepi is also an instrument that wards evil eye. Women wear heavy metals, gold and silver jewelry along with full-length sheep skin or wool. Old metal coins are part of the accessory. Gonda Ladakhi cap. Gonda is one of the traditional accessories of the costume of Ladakh, worn by women. The Gonda is like a top hat but with the front brim cut away over the forehead. The Gonda is usually covered with silk and brocade or velvet and is embroidered in silver or gold thread. Older men also wear the Gonda, but there is relatively plain.